Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at the All-In Sports Pickleball Net. Now, this is the net right here, and I want to talk a little bit about this net and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, the great thing about this net is it is completely regulation size. That's very rare to actually find on these portable pickleball nets because they usually are a little bit smaller, but this one is full size and official regulation. Now, there are no tools required to build this pickleball net. It's just a matter of simply snapping poles into place and locking them into their spots. Now, this frame is really nice and strong and durable, and because it has the reinforcement bar going across the net, it will be really heavy duty and hold its place really well. Now, another great feature about this net in particular is that you do have this storage bag that will store your net and your poles, and you could probably even slide your pickleball paddles and balls in here, so you have that convenience of keeping everything all together. Another feature I really like about this pickleball net set that I don't see mentioned a lot is the color scheme. Because it's black and yellow, or if you get the black and white version, it is a high contrast, so it really sticks out very prominently in your peripheral vision. So when you're making a play, it's very easy to know where the net is simply because of the bright color scheme from this net. Now, the net itself is made of a braided material here that is really durable and strong, and even when I pull and put a lot of pressure on the net, you can see it really maintains its shape and still stays really strong and taut. And overall, I've been very impressed with the net itself. For all these various features of this pickleball net set from All-In Sports, I really think it's a high quality product, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.